new setup, like pet room they call, whatever they call, pet room or something. So this just it's like, yeah, I make my room, one room in the deck, cover a pet room. But now it's kind of a little bit messy because it's still more upgrade on it. Now it's just temporary. Yeah, so what I got right now, yeah, I have like a cockatiel, parakeet. See, so I have, it's about 8 of them total, 7 of them. And then I have aquarium here in the tank. I'm gonna replace this 40 gallon to 100 gallon tank. So please stay tuned and please have like and follow, subscribe. It's help me so YouTube can, help me pay so can support all my pet. Thank you for watching and see you guys later after I done.